YouTube, what it do, your boy? Let me get through here. Your boy back, man.
Yep.
I got my helper back there with me. Say what's up.
What's up?
And where we going today?
We go to the store.
Yeah, man, we headed to the store. We actually going to Harbor Freight.
Yeah, we go to Harbor Freight. My mom take me that way.
Yeah. So
Go exactly by her.
Yeah, right now we headed there, man.
We have to go.
We're gonna knock that out. I do
out.
have some work to do on this truck, the Yukon. Might not get to it today, but we're gonna see, y'all. I know y'all seen the video yesterday. The bed is removed.
Yes, removed.
I will be uploading a video how to remove the bed, but
he will be fixing back. He will be fixing back and put it back to a piece again, because it's at that table and it's at that little grounding.
What he said. What else, man?
And it's inside of it.
What he said. So yeah, man, we'll be doing that. We on our way to Harbor Freight right now, and good evening, good Saturday to everybody. Good weekday to everybody, weekend. Yeah, man. Keep watching, keep subscribing.
Yeah.
Appreciate y'all. Like I said, I don't care if it's one person or a million. We're on our way, road to 50 subscribers.
15 subscribers.
50.
50.
So we're gonna do a giveaway, man. But y'all touch down with your boy, man. I'm gonna keep grinding. Keep doing what I do.
Keep getting more subscribers.
Yeah, more subscribers. And you think you want a channel, a YouTube channel?
Yeah, I want YouTube channel.
What you gonna talk about? Cars?
Yeah.
So we're gonna be bringing my son more on each video. Try to get him out. So he comfortable around the camera. I can't say he's not comfortable, but we'll keep bringing him on the channel. Like I said, today we'll have him on the vlog today with us, getting it in. You feel me? And yeah, man, we just headed through this H-Town traffic right now. You know what I mean? And that's it, man.
And we had to get more subscribers so we can reach 100. We're almost 50 right now. And let's go.
YouTube, what it do? Your boy is back from the store. So let me show y'all, man.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Bought the hose for $9, the long nose for $39. Now, let me adjust this camera. Man, I gotta knock this rust off here, but I'm gonna pull this tank. I wanna actually drop this tank. I'm not gonna lie to you, I wanna drop it. So we will be dropping it. And that fuel cell will be going back there. I'll be relocating that shock right there. Cut off the I'll be cutting off that bracket for the brake line. I don't know if y'all can see it. Yeah, that bracket for the brake line right there. Cut the exhaust off because I'm not even using the exhaust. The exhaust is actually from the exhaust is a stock exhaust that came with the truck. I'm not using it, y'all. So of course you can see the rust right here. I gotta remove a bunch of stuff off here, man. This is just crazy, man. So your boy be doing some work on it, and of course, like I say, the leaf springs too. So I'm gonna replace everything, far as from here back. It's getting replaced, man. I'm not finna sit here and just, you know, I'm not finna sit here and mess up, man. Like I gotta replace everything. But we gonna get these wheels off, and I gotta eat me something, man. My energy down a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna get the forges off, wrap the forges up, clean them, put these stocks on here, and we finna get to it, man. I'm gonna set y'all up on a tripod, and that'll be it. But man, that 3-gallon McGraw, I mean, I'm not gonna say I knew, but trash. So Harbor Freight got some good stuff, but that right there, man, that's trash. That right there, trash. That's only good for blowing off. It can't even pump up tires. Trash. I'm really ready to throw it out. I'm not gonna lie. Cause I bought my air hammer, bought my hose, still didn't work. So I said, you know what, man? And I can go rent it, of course, for Home Depot or find one on Public Marketplace, but remove this bumper too. Put a new bumper on there.
Hi, you are currently.
I don't like that one. I might go with the Denali bumper. The bumper I have on mine. So I got the sizzle, correct my language, on my drill. So we're gonna do what we can with this drill. It do got, like I said, it do got rust. I think it's bad? It's bad, but it's not as crazy bad. So take some cleaning up. I do got some of this, man. So it's hot out here. Yeah, man, I'm finna try to bring y'all that, and that's it. And I actually need to get a battery for this truck, so that's what I'll be doing too. I got 2 batteries, but maybe I might relocate the battery or something. I don't know, y'all. Your boy just got so many plans, that there's so much to do, but we're gonna get it done. Good thing I got the air hammer, so it's just something to have, man. I'm not even gonna lie to you, it's something to have. I just need a bigger tank, but that tank is trash. And I should have knew that too with a 3-gallon, but blame me, y'all. Blame your boy. But right now, I'm gonna set y'all up. We finna take the forges off, wrap the forges up like a Christmas gift in the bag. I'm gonna take them out first, clean them, just hit them with water, get the dirt that's been on there, and that's it, man. We're gonna get that done, and that's it. Your boy just bringing it step by step, but this stuff right here, man, I say it's some good stuff, man. So we're gonna try it out. We're gonna try out this drill with this the sizzle on there. Sizzle, my bad, correct my. Anyways, we're gonna try that out. Maybe I might get somebody idea or something, but yeah, shocks relocated for the rear. And let me turn around because I don't want to just be talking. This bracket will be getting cut off. I'm gonna get a plasma, and I'll just take the plasma, cut it right here, and cut it right there. Then we'll cut this exhaust off. I'm gonna take the whole exhaust off. Cut that exhaust off, and the hanger. And man, to be honest, I think I'm gonna probably, I'm gonna cut that support off right there. That support gonna get cut off, cause that's where my fuel cell gonna go. I'm gonna put my fuel cell right there, and I'll just either get some aluminum or whatever, well, right there. And that's in the future, man. Right now we're gonna clean up as much as we can clean up. I gotta get this this pump out of here and see what's going on with that, to why this truck won't start, because it's not getting fuel. The fuel pump is not cutting on. So it's something with that. We're gonna figure it out, man, and we're gonna go from there. Like I say, also right here, we will be doing a drop kit on this truck, and the leaf springs will get replaced. So just know from here to here, we're gonna get a lot done. Clean up this rear end, as you can see. Look at the rear end, just filthy, man. But what can I say? With a 20-year-old truck, can't complain. Yeah, so we'll remove that that bumper because I'm gonna get a new bumper. I'll be cutting it up and getting ready to mock up the fuel cell. I'll probably go with a 20 gallon, and that's it, man. I'm gonna make it easier on myself. That old school tank and all that, I'm done with it. It's going on the side of the street. So your boy finna hook y'all up. I'm finna get my jack out, jack this boy up, take my wheels off, clean them, and we gonna get to work on this, man. I told you I'm bringing that content. I ain't gonna stop. And then we still got the front suspension we're gonna do. So of course we're doing the drop kit, everything on the rear for the drop. Then we going to the front. Pray for me. But your boy be back. Let me get this done, set y'all up, and we on the way. So let's get it.